Nothing beats a try but a fail. Nothing beats a fail but not a try. Nothing beats a try but a fail. That make any sense? We won't try it. Hey beauties, it's Viviana and today I don't see color. I don't see texture. If you're new here on my channel, this is a series I have where I try to recreate hairstyles that are done on naturally straight hair on my own kinky, curly, textured hair. And if you don't see a difference in texture, you won't see a difference in the hairstyles. Yeah. So for the video we're going to follow today, it just dropped in my recommendations. And I can't read the first part of the title because that's not my language. I don't know it. I don't know what language that is. But we're going to follow along with Maya F-Staff Eva F-Staff Eva Maya F-Staff. Read it here because I'm not going to set me up. 30 lightest buns for rare hair. And I'm guessing there's something lost in translation with that as well, because like light buns, do you mean like it's not heavy on your hair? I mean most buns aren't heavy, not really. Unless they mean like light as in it was supposed to be the word for easy, so it's like easy buns. Maybe I'm thinking about this too hard. We're gonna try to recreate 30 light buns for rare hair. So I'm gonna test these buns out on a very old shoelace curl shoelace curls. It kind of just didn't make sense in my head to use the old curly hairstyle, because I mean this is usually the stage where you throw your hair up in a bun, right? So let's see what the first bun is. Alright, we're getting right into it. So it looks like I'm putting my hair in a low ponytail to start out, and I need one of those claw clips. Woo! Okay. Alright, so the first task is to put my hair in a low ponytail. I'm gonna do my little something, alright? What I usually do when I'm trying to quickly pull my hair back on old curls. It should be good enough. It was at this point I realized we might can ignore texture, but the length the length might be another story. Alright, we can finally start the bun now. So I have two possible claw clips that could be used for this bun. This looks nice and chunky and sturdy, it's just not as wide. But this can work as well. It doesn't have that broad end, but we can try them. We can try them. So that's not holding anything. This cannot be happening. Should we even continue this video? Is my hair just too kinky, short, thick for any of these buns? Since none of my claw clips can actually grip and hold down all my hair like in that position, new challenge! Try to get similar looking buns with different techniques.
Babe, why don't you just go and buy a bigger claw clip?
Then my hair wouldn't be long enough fold over a bigger claw clip. You get what I'm saying? The only thing I think that can probably do that is to actually just use a scrunchie. Just wrap a scrunchie around the base and, you know, secure the hair. We're supposed to be able to get a similar looking bun. I think that works. So now we're just going to fan out the ends and complete this bun. First one, you tell me what you think. Number 2. I think we can do that. So it's not quite giving a full twisty bun. Yeah, my hair is too short for that.
Does it really matter? Does it really matter how much twist I get in my little bun?
This bun hardly looks anything alike. I don't know. How can I make this better? So hear me out. Hear me out. I want to try doing something a little different just to get something looking similar. Alright. So we're going to focus on this little roll area that we see at the side. Alright, we weren't able to get that. But if we just take half my hair and do a little tuck and roll twist, right? Alright. And then if we just secure that with a pin, several pins, and then do the same thing to the other side, but a whole lot lower. Like just down here, just tuck and roll. And we're going to manually create that little hole in the center. I think it looks a lot more comparable now. Next! Okay, that clip again. Alright. So we're starting with a mid-height ponytail, doing the same clip thing, but going to the side. We already know this has no fight for my hair, so scrunchie. Where is this? Oh, scrunchie in my hair. This one. Front is giving it the same, but it's the back. Alright? Well, the side. Okay, another low bun. 1 knot, 2 knot. Oh, fluff the knots. I'm not even sure my hair can go into 1 knot much less. Take up on me camera manage. Look at me, take up on myself.
I already predict that putting my hair in a knot is going to cause some issues. So, how can I make this work? How can I make this work? How can I make this work? Maybe if I make 2 twists and then put those twists
in knots. I think that might work. Don't you think the twists in my hair make it look like I had a bunch of knots? Just like the tutorial? Yeah, I hope you've been enjoying this video, but just a reality check. I'm at hairstyle number 3. We're 10 minutes in. Yeah. I hope you realize by now to already adjust your expectations because we're not getting through 30 buns in this video. What is that around our hair? A telephone cord? Oh, it's one of those coily scrunchies. Well, I've seen them in pharmacies before and beauty supply stores. I always thought they look funny, like what's the purpose of all the extra coil? And all that for the same fan looking bun? Why am I calling it a fan? Is it a fan? It's more like a croissant? A croissant? Or like a loaf of bread? Like a mini loaf of bread? In any way, this fold through, wrap through, push through telephone cord technique would not be the most practical way to get my little stubby ponytail looking like this again. Okay, I can do this. Just have to make a path. The ponytail never too neat to begin with, and I'm going to push my finger through to go mess it up more. This will definitely go well. Hear me out. I don't think I need to push the other piece of hair through any piece of hair. I don't think I need to do all that because my hair is shorter. So I think if I just like pin it to my head, I think I should be good. Ooh, girl, I tried. Alright, another low ponytail bun. My hair already in a low ponytail, so it's set for that. I think they just use the bobby pins as anchor for the hairpins. Won't your hair have enough friction to just put the hairpins in? Or maybe for straight hair you need the bobby pins to, like, you know, add extra grip. And we're getting the same mini loaf of bread looking bun. Okay, so it's just a different technique. Can we skip this? Alright. Quick demo. We're not really doing it, but kind of do it. Just go so, hold it so, roll it up so, and just pin it. And that would be it. Pretty much. There's a lot of fluffing. Okay, my hair is supposed to do that. Does this even qualify as a bun? This is a whole hairstyle. So it doesn't look like I need to do straight clean parts, so I'm not going to do straight clean parts. Yeah, I'm not getting the elegant creation Maya is getting.
I'm tired! Jesus, I'm tired!
Okay, alright. For people with straight hair, you might call that a bun. A easy bun. Easy, easy, easy. But for my hair, entire hairstyle, because I can come up with ways to make that hairstyle work, but it can't be done on old hair, because that entire hairstyle gonna need some detangling and some, you know, some real tussle. We're not even halfway through. I'm getting frustrated. My hair is getting frustrated. And I have a whole mountain of gel on my edges already. Like, no wonder she's doing these hairstyles on a mannequin head. This is stress to my hair. My poor hair feels stressed. Take up on me camera neck. Look at me take up on myself. So I'm skipping through the rest of the original tutorial. And these buns are gonna give me some problems. Yeah. My hair is already stressed from the buns I've already completed. I don't think it would be wise to continue. I don't like not completing things.
This was a fail. I should probably just scrap this video.
Yeah. So I just posted a poll on Instagram and on my YouTube community tab asking you guys if I should bother even continuing with this video, because believe me, I'll just go turn off the camera and call it a day. Keep this in drafts, we're done. Call the last few hours, because I ain't gonna tell you how much hours I've been working on this, alright? But just call the last few hours a waste. Yeah, the overwhelming majority of you guys want to see my fail video. I really don't want to leave this tutorial incomplete, because the whole point of these I don't see texture videos is to show you guys that, you know, no matter your hair texture, if you just acknowledge that the hairstyle is going to look different because of the difference in texture, and I don't see texture, the hairstyle can be completed. I'm sorry, I'm a disappointment.
Oh, boo-hoo! Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin. This is serious.
I started out this tutorial very ambitious. Please give me props for my ambitiousness, my ambitiousity. Oh, maybe what I can do to make myself feel better is to try and actually do the more complicated buns towards the end of the tutorial for a next video, like a part 2. Yeah, I think we can do that, because that way I can actually focus on each of the style, like as an individual hairstyle. Alright beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoyed this incomplete video. Yeah, see, we're still smiling, there might be a tear or two after this video closes, but we're smiling, we're pushing through. Let me know down below in the comment section if you guys are interested in a part 2 where I actually try to finesse these styles. Before you call me a big old loser and a failure, please check out my playlist with my other I don't see texture videos. Yeah, and after watching like 2 or 3 of those videos, you can come back here and call me a loser and a failure if you want to, but don't do it just yet. And maybe you might actually decide to subscribe. I don't know, maybe. Okay beauties, thanks again for watching.